Welcome to Faithful Media Tech. Today we are going to look at minimum and maximum function in Excel. So, as the manner is in Excel, when you're typing your function or your formula, you start with equal to and then put the function name or what you have. So I have already written here, but let me clear it and then start again from the beginning. I have a table here, fruit, and I have amount for the fruit. So I want to find the minimum among the amount that I have here. So I just put equal to minimum, then I hit my tab button to complete everything. So I select the range of cell from that very first one to the last one and then hit enter. So you know that you see now I have 20 as the minimum among all the amount of fruits I have here. So very easy as that to apply and find minimum function in Excel. Likewise to maximum. If I remove this one there, type equal to, if you check in my formula bar, you'll be seeing the function going on here. So I'll be typing from there right now, equal to minimum, then maximum, then bracket. So I select the cell and hit enter. So the maximum number here is 100. If I change something here and make it 200, automatically it changes here and you see 200 and have 20 here. That is how you can make use of minimum and maximum in Excel. Then the last thing we're going to look at now, how you can just make your minimum or maximum constant in Excel. That is, the number you specify, it will not go above that number or below that number. So for example, I have in the third item here, in the third table here, I have equal to minimum. So I want to specify the minimum number from the data myself. So no matter the smallest number I have here, it will not reflect, but rather it will work with the one I specify. So minimum equal to, then I'll put comma 10. So for example, okay, let me put 20, 25, 25. So I hit enter. So I'm seeing 25 has my minimum here. Why in the list? If you check very well in the list, we don't have any 25 in the list. So if I change something to 100, to 200, it remains constant. If I change something to 10, you see now 10. If I change something to 20, it remains constant. If I change something to 25, you see now. So I specify 25 there. So anything above 25, it will not count. For example, let me change everything here to 50, here 60. So now I have made this thing constant, that from this table my minimum should be 25. But if peradventure I have something less than 25, automatically it will reflect here. So it will tell me that yes, I have something here. For example, if I reduce this one to 19, automatically it will reflect here. So how does this one work now? When you have something you're dealing with, a specific cell, range of data you want to make use of as your minimum, in your range of cells. So you can easily fix a number there, that anything above this number, that is for example greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, it should not accept it. That is exactly what happened here. So I put 19 here and we have 19 here. So anything above 19 it won't accept. I have 25 here. So anything above 25 and 25 in the table, it will not accept. But anything below 25, it will accept as the minimum. So these are the way you can apply minimum, maximum function in Excel. Likewise, this thing I did here now, you can also apply it in maximum function. Fix a number and set anything I want that is below or above this, should be my maximum number or my minimum number in Excel. These are the way you can make use of minimum and maximum function in Excel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.